I allowed to use images from Google? No, unless you have either received express permission from the copyright holder. Simply, the answer is you cannot. And we'll dive deeper into what you can do instead to get images to your social media platform, websites, and newsletters. So stay tuned. A lot of people don't realize that you cannot download or use images from Google without seeking permission from the copyright holder. And so because of that, I searched, because I want to remain compliant, that I have been searching for to find royalty-free, copyright-free photos, vector images, and videos that I can use on my social media, my website, and my newsletters. And I think I found it. So in this video, I am going to share with you deposit photos that will offer everything we've talked about with absolute legality. So stay tuned. I put a link below in the show notes of my link that I can share with you that you'll get a discount using deposit photos. It is bit.ly DH copy free images, and you'll find that link below. All right, so I'm going to share my screen and we'll get into it. And just to support what I have shared with you, if you Google, what are the rules for using images from Google, that's where you'll see what I have just shared with you right there. And there's many questions, how to do it and what are the rules. But instead of all that, you can just simply go to deposit photos. So here is deposit photos. They offer royalty-free stock photos, vector images, videos, music, and a whole lot more. So I'm going to show you my account. And I'm just going to show you simply how to search for the pictures that you're using. But first, let me share with you that they have a couple of different plans. All right, so they have a monthly subscription, or you can just buy each photo one at a time, or you can buy them in bulk. So either way you go, I happen to have an annual subscription, and that helped me save like a lot of money. All right, so we're going to go back to this. You can also start a free trial. Either way, just to check it out. So let's just say that for my website, I am looking for an image of a woman. So we'll just type woman speaking to an audience. All right, so that's the example we're going to use today. And we're searching by an image. We can also search by vectors, which, as you can see, they're kind of cartoon characters. Illustrations, very similar to vectors. Videos, you can search by videos. And these are all little short videos. And once you purchase or download the video, then the deposit photos will come off of there. All right, so for this example, let's just use photos. And you can really narrow it down very much here on the left-hand side, which I'll move my screen over so you can see. Do you want how many people in the photo? You can check there. You can have people only in the photo, or you can exclude people. You can use different genders. Let's just say I want all females. Any age, we're just going to say adults. You can choose it in a portrait mode, full body, just the profile, or a wider profile. You can click that you don't want to see any faces, or you do. You can even choose the camera angle, front or from above, which changes the photos altogether. You can choose what date all of these pictures were added. Maybe you just want to get the latest and greatest. You can search by contributor name if you'd like to. And the list goes on and on of anything that you want to choose. So let's just say that we're going to click search on women speaking to audience, and we've picked the age range, and then we want front. So we're going to click search, and there they are. So let's just say that, man, I like this one. And so I'm just gonna click on the picture. And from there, it's gonna give a lot more angles. Like instead of this picture, you could also go down and see more. There's gonna be just so many that you can choose from. All right, so let's just say, hey, I really like the one with the red shirt on. Okay, so that's different. You just simply click on it and you can choose the size. If you're using it maybe for a YouTube thumbnail, you can choose small or large or extra large, super, like any size. It doesn't matter. Whatever you pay for is the same price. So I'm just going to use regularly large and download the image. And the image will then go right to your desktop or wherever you choose. So I'm just going to name this lady speaking to a crowd. And since I've paid actually Ultimate for this picture, I'm going to save it in a little file folder on my desktop. And I'll have all my downloaded images in case there's an opportunity to use this photo again later on something else. So we'll just save that. And then here in a minute, I will include this picture into today's video so you can see how simple it is to get pictures. So that's about it. That's Deposit Photos in a nutshell, just a quick overview of a way that you can obtain photos. Many, there's millions of photos of anything you pretty much ask for inside and not have to break any laws by using Google. So I appreciate you watching. Again, the link to find Deposit Photos I've put below. And then below that, I have invited you to my Facebook group where I deep dive into all kinds of online tools for online marketers and people in business online to help you free and very small cost. Thank you for watching today, and we'll see you on the next video.